Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready? Should we roll you over? Shall we? Yay! Let's roll you over. Are you ready? Ready? Oh, you guys! Okay, you're gonna crawl.
Hey, Casamundo.
You're gonna crawl.
Come on, you can do it.
No. Yes, stop.
Can you do it, Cass?
Stop as you wiggle.
Can you do it?
Are you gonna roll back over? Come on, roll back over. Yeah? There she goes. You're gonna roll over. This could take a while, folks. Are you gonna roll over?
Oh, come on. Is she gonna go, Finn? Is she gonna go?
Is she gonna go over?
Come on. Go.
You did it.
She did it. Roll me over in the clover.
Right, Cassie, Susie's standing now, ready?
What? We're now. We've gone 1 minute now.
Wow, look.
This is boring for everybody.
No,
Ain't it?
look.
What?
I'm getting City, hopla!
Yeah.
You can say mum, mum, mum. Mum, mum, mum. Mum, mum, mum. Yeah, look at you. Here she is stitching up.
And then we'll say. Hey, we hit 2 minutes now. That's too long for anyone to watch a video of a child for, don't you think? Bye, Cassie. Bye. Bye.